everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and as you may know, I haven't been uploading as many videos because we're currently in the process of not only moving my house, but also moving my wife's business, so it's kind of been crazy. As you can see, we've got boxes, I don't even have my backdrop behind me, and I haven't been able to film. Well, this past week, a crazy storm came into not just New Jersey, but the entire East Coast, causing a lot of beach erosion. And while I can't get to the beach to film, our buddy PJ went out into the storm a couple different days to film it for you. He's been going there and checking out the entire process from day one. He runs an entire Facebook group that is dedicated to North Wildwood, especially everything that's taking place in the inlet and on the beaches. So go ahead and check out his Facebook page, which is North Wildwood Coastal Processes. Anyway, PJ, take it away.
Here we are at 13th Avenue Beach, around high tide. See some of the white water off the beach today. The surf is up a little bit. Got that southeast wind, gonna switch to west overnight. See some of the broken snow fencing here, a lot of it collapsed into the water.
As you can tell, conditions are a lot worse than more than they were about a year ago. And unfortunately, because we can't get that beach replenishment, it's going to stay that way. The city will, of course, try to make those dunes a little bit not as straight down, But for those asking about a beach replenishment, we're not getting one for this spring, hopefully next year. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I can make fun videos, and I've got a lot of great videos heading your way, including some sunken ships off of the coast of New Jersey. It's going to be a fun one that we had to get permission for. I promise you're going to love it. Anyway, I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.